So I have for you today an art supplies haul, and there's a range of art supplies that I've managed to get for myself, including some bargain art supplies, some castle art supplies which are sort of a good affordable price but really good quality, and also some new palettes, some acrylic palettes that I wanted to try. So I have been very blessed with lots of orders of my cards and artwork and stickers and keychains and badges and things like that. I've been doing really well in store selling those, and I've done well on my website too. So I thought I would treat myself and reinvest in myself in a sense by buying a variety of art products, and it would also give me a chance to test out some of the more bargain supplies. And I thought that would be something that I would share with you here on the channel too, because a lot of you, when I talk to customers that pop into the store, they can't afford to go for the sort of higher end price art supplies, so they sort of try and get the equivalent in the lower price ones. So I'm going to do some comparison videos and just sort of see how those art supplies go. But this video is just to show you what I've got and what I plan to do with the bits and pieces, and then I'll do separate videos on testing all of the different art supplies and things. So come back soon and watch the videos that will show you all of the different products in action. Share with you now the art supplies that I've purchased. I'm so excited. I haven't bought myself new art supplies for such a long time, and so just buying any art supplies for myself is an exciting thing for me right now. But I'll share with you now what I've got. So I'm just going to open now the acrylic palettes that I got for myself. Now these are something that I don't yet stock in the store, in my art supply store, but they are available through one of my wholesalers, and I thought I would buy a couple for myself, see if I think they're good enough to stock in store, and then I will stock them if I think they are good enough. So this is how they've arrived. I've gone for the 2 sizes, and it came with some palette knives with it, but these are the ones that I am mostly interested in. Now I'm assuming that there's like a cover on the top of these because they're supposed to be clear acrylic, so I am assuming, I can see something's there. I'm assuming you get to peel off the sort of the white consistency that you see on the front there, and then it will be, I'm wondering if there's one on either side. Clearness we're going to get